Do you think your face covering is protecting you or the people around you? If you are using a fabric face covering or a non-rated mask, you are jeopardizing yourself and those around you. Talking, coughing, or sneezing can easily penetrate the material. The proper mask, worn correctly, gives you the protection you need.
All right, here's the standard blue surgical mask. Easy to put on, take off, fairly comfortable, lightweight. But for maximum protection, I prefer the KN95 mask. This mask blocks 95% of particulates, including COVID-19. It's form-fitting, blocks it over your nose here, so it gets a nice tight fit all the way around your face. So when you're breathing, you get good filtration. It's a good mask.